I would definitely recommend Semper Solaris. I decided to get solar because of my high electric bill, which I had been paying close to $400 almost a month, and it's killing me. And I saw the commercial of Semper Solaris. So when Semper Solaris came to assess my roof for the placement of the solar panels, they found out that I have some water damage. So they suggested that for the better placement of the solar panel, I need to change my roof. So now, I'm happy. My electric bill had gone down less than even $50 a month. Sometimes I got it $23. I would definitely recommend Semper Solaris because they did an excellent job. 100% I know we can trust them.
Solar, roofing, windows, HVAC, Semper Home.